Hello all, welcome. In today's session, we will be seeing how are we going to configure and do a setup of Cloud SDK. We have a couple of options to interact with GCP applications to create and manage the resources. So first is like using a GCP applications. This is a console. We can create whatever the services like compute engine, cloud storage, Vertex AI. So by using this UI screen, we can able to create our own resources. If we want to create any compute engine instance, we can create from here. Similarly, we have other option to create and manage the resources using a cloud shell. So this is the second option. We can use activating the cloud shell machine, and we can directly run the commands from cloud shell. The third approach is we are going to install Cloud SDK in our local desktop Windows laptop or desktop. From there, we can try to execute gcloud CLI commands so that it will interact with the application, and we can create and manage the resources. Like we can provision the resources and we can manage the resources directly from our local desktop. For doing that activity, we should be installing Cloud SDK. So what is the process of installing a Cloud SDK? Let's get into that. So first type Cloud SDK download. This is a documentation which was provided by the Google. So we have a couple of options to install in different OS flavors like Linux, Debian, Red Hat, Mac OS and Windows. As part of this session, we are trying to install Cloud SDK installer in our local machine by using this process. So from here, we can try to click on this and it will get downloaded directly. If we can double click that, we can follow the steps to installing the Cloud SDK. The other alternatives, we can go to the PowerShell and we can try to enter this command in the PowerShell. Let's try entering the command in PowerShell. So once you enter the command which was shared by official document in the Google site, so we are going to set on screen reader and we can click on next. It's pop up one message and we have to accept the licenses. We can select all users or single user, anything is fine. We can select all users and click on next. Admin password yes or no, click on yes. And this is where like Cloud SDK will get installed in our browser in our PC. This is if we want, we can change the path as well. Click on next. These are the options which will get installed once we click on the install. Click on install. This will take some time to install all the Google Cloud CLI libraries. All these libraries will be installing here, so it will take some time to install it. Google Cloud CLI has been installed successfully. So these are all the installation libraries which got installed in our local PC, like command line tool and BigQuery command line tool, cloud storage and compute engine related. All APIs libraries got installed in our local PC. I'm going to click on next. So we can create a shortcut menu, or we can do that and finish. So it got installed. So somehow if this screen got not shown up for you, so what you can do is try to run the gcloud init command. You will get the same options like all the configuration options. From here we can enter the numeric choice, reinitialize this configuration with new settings if required, otherwise switch to reinitialize. So from here we can go with the reinitialize new settings. Checking the network connection, it will take some time to check it out. So from here I'm going to create a new third option, sign in with a new Google account. So I'm going to sign up with a new Google account, Gmail account, which I want to sign in through Google Cloud SDK, which we can connect with the GCP application. We'll be receiving the two-step verification code. Accept the two-step verification code. Let's continue. Allow all the permissions. Now we are successfully authenticated with the Google G Cloud CLI. When we go back to this Cloud SDK, we can try to select the project, like this is one of the project which we have, and we can enter the project ID if required. So we already in this project. So this project we can view in our console. This is the console. The project, my first project is this line in. So the same project which we can see here. It means like it's successfully configured, Cloud SDK successfully configured with my GCP account. Now I can select the option like my project, or if we want to create a new project, we can do that. So right now I'm just clicking the option 1 and press enter. Do we want to configure a default compute region and zone? Yes. So from here, my nearest region is Asia South 1A, that is number 37. Let me type 37. Now it's got successfully configured, and we can see the list of projects under my GCP account. G-Cloud projects list. This is the project which I can see it. This is one which I'm accessing from Cloud SDK. So from Cloud SDK, I was successfully configured to access the resources from the GCP account. From Cloud Shell, we have a limit of 5 GB. Till 5 GB, we can create a files and we can store a files. But when it comes to the frequent upgrades, Cloud Shell is very important, and frequent updates can be happening for the Cloud Shell. But when it comes to Cloud SDK, this is a local connectivity with the GCP application. So the upgrades will be, we have to do it manually. Whenever the new upgrades notification comes up, we have to do it. And for the storage wise, we have a unlimited access, like hard disk access we have. So because it is a local storage, so how many files, if we want to store it, we can store it in locally. That is one of the biggest advantage from the Cloud SDK. Like how we will be working with other GUIs like a VS Code and other PyCharm and other Visual Studio codes, right? So we can do the similar activity. Directly we can run G-Cloud commands from Cloud SDK. Let's create one sample project from Cloud SDK, and this is a project ID and this is a project name. Project ID is unique. Let's press enter. Yes, project got successfully created with the Cloud Shell. We can see a list of projects under this. Right now it is not yet reflected, so it will take some time to reflect. Let's go back to this and let's reload the page from web console. One project might have created here. Yes, this project got successfully created. So we can access this project from here. So under this project, we can create as many resources as possible. That is how like a Cloud SDK will work from the locally. We can interact with the GCP application. We already done the configuration. See, from Cloud SDK, we created a new project. So we ran the command the gcloud projects delete, and this project, the project got successfully deleted. It will get reflected in project got successfully deleted. So we have only one project, that is my first project. Let's go back to our screen and we can do a refresh. Yes, project got deleted successfully, so we cannot see the project now. Thank you all for your support, and it's encouraged me to do more videos to share my knowledge. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.